If you are wondering whether a life care plan is right for your situation, the first step is to meet with a team at Johnson McGinnis Elder Care Law and Estate Planning.
I'm Tyler McCullough. I'm a public benefits specialist at Johnson McGinnis Elder Care Law, and I'm also part of the intake team. I'll be one of the first people you talk to when you call us and express interest in a meeting with our firm. That call entails on just getting a description on what your concerns are, what your situation is, and what are some of your goals and working with us are, and the intake person then determines whether or not the firm is a good fit to help with your particular situation. The next step is setting up a calendar date to come meet with the attorney and just go over the necessary things to bring to that meeting. Once we set a consultation day and time up for you, we will send you a client workbook to your email that will help you fill out information that will help us prepare for your meeting. All of the key players should be at that meeting. So obviously the client themselves, if available, their power of attorney, and any of their key players, whether that be their power of attorney, their children, anybody that's going to be important to their decision making going forward. The important paperwork to bring will be updated and most recent accounts of financials, any deeds of real estate or property that they own, any life insurance or long-term care policies, and then all existing legal documents. So that can be your powers of attorney, your will, trust. Any current legal documents will be important to look at as well, and especially the power of attorney. And if that can be submitted up front, that's what we prefer.
Since no two situations are alike, full disclosure helps us determine the complexity of your situation and to identify where we can help.
The Elder Care Coordinator is in the first meetings of a life care plan consultation. We're there for a lot of different reasons, but we're also there to help the families identify their needs. Many families come to us and their needs are related to finances, worrying about running out of money, or worrying about the government taking their home. And we help them see that although that is a valid worry and that's something that we can help with, that we suspect they're also worried about getting good care. Where do I find good care? How do I get good care? How do I keep someone out of the nursing home if that's the situation? Because most people don't want to go there. So we're going to work to find the best level of care for your loved one. We help them see the role of the caregiver or the family in this whole process, that it's not an isolated event, that it's a long-term, it's a marathon oftentimes. And how do you get through it as a care provider? Or whether you're a spouse who has their own health issues and own needs, whether you're a child who has their own family to deal with, their job, how do you navigate all of those stressors to make sure their loved one gets cared for? We help them think about a backup plan. Many families don't think about that. They think, I'm going to be there no matter what. And we always say, well, what if something happens to you? Who's going to step in? How are you going to split yourself in all these different ways? And then help them figure out the answers to that. So we serve a lot of different roles. We help in the first meeting showing that we're a team, that we work together to help not only their legal issues, but their personal care needs and their finances.
Ultimately, the initial meeting gives our team the information needed to determine which services will enhance your loved one's quality of life and offer peace of mind to family caregivers.
Life care planning in an elder care law firm is unique in that we're comprehensive, holistic, integrated, whatever word resonates better with you. We're care managers, like a geriatric care manager. They are experts in their particular area, but they don't deal with the legal needs or the healthcare financing concerns that perhaps can be met here in this office. And there are professionals that work exclusively with Medicaid planning or veterans benefits planning. But once again, it's just that one component. What's unique here is that all of those needs can be met under one roof, dealing with the same team.
Taking extra care to prepare for your first meeting helps set the stage for a productive relationship between your family and ours.